Tara, smoke tayo ng dino ribs.
And before tayo magsimula, disclaimer lang muna, there were no dinosaurs harmed in this footage. Alright, story time. Dino ribs is one of the first meat that I tried to smoke back in 2020, and this is the first meat that I failed. I failed really, really bad na halos di namin makain yung niluto ko. So yeah, dino ribs is not that complicated, but it really requires some skills, some experiences. And pag nagawa mo siya na mabuti, ayan siya, ang tindi, ang sarap, ang lambot, ang hirap hiwain, 'di ba? In summary, dino ribs are a delight to smoke. Number one, there's no or minimal trimming required, and it's much more forgiving than a brisket. And for me, it tastes better than a beef belly.